Hello everyone. Welcome to Bright English Point. Today, we are going to share the amazing life of Shahrukh Khan, the King of Bollywood. We will learn about his early life, how he became famous, his big achievements, and the effect he has had all over the world. Let's start our journey. Shahrukh Khan was born on November 2, 1965, in busy New Delhi, India. He grew up in a city full of history and many different cultures. The streets, festivals, and languages of New Delhi sparked his love for stories. His childhood was full of simple and magical moments that would later shape his great career in acting. Even as a small child, Shahrukh loved the stage. He would gather his friends and family in the living room to act out small plays and scenes from popular stories and movies. His talent to entertain and connect with people made him special among his friends. Teachers and classmates admired his confidence and the way he could hold everyone's attention. Shahrukh grew up in a simple home, but his family always supported his love for drama. His parents saw his big dreams and the light in his eyes. They encouraged him to show his talent and explore art, even when a career in acting seemed very hard. Their love taught him that with hard work and determination, any dream is possible. Living in New Delhi was not always easy. The busy streets and everyday problems taught him to be strong and flexible. In the crowd of the city, Shahrukh saw many stories in the people he met. Whether it was the street sellers, local performers, or elderly storytellers at tea shops, every person had a story. These moments helped him learn about different feelings and relationships, lessons he later used in his movies. At school, Shahrukh was known for his love of drama as well as his studies. He joined school plays, debates, and cultural events with great energy. Every small performance built his confidence and made his skills better. In these early days, he learned how important teamwork, practice, and making people smile are lessons he still uses today. Besides acting, Shahrukh loved reading and listening to stories. His evenings were spent with books or listening to older family members share tales of love, courage, and adventure. This love for stories grew his imagination and helped him see the beauty in different lives. Each story opened a window to a new world, teaching him about different ideas and the joy of life. New Delhi, with its bright festivals, busy markets, and rich history, always reminded him that life is full of stories waiting to be told. Being surrounded by so many different people, Shahrukh learned that every person has a unique life, and every struggle or joy is important. These early lessons laid the base for his future as an actor who could show many different feelings with truth and care. By the time he was a teenager, Shahrukh Khan was known in his community for his energy and talent. His early life was a mix of hard work and happy discoveries, each day making him ready to become the King of Bollywood. His journey from a curious child in New Delhi to a young artist was full of learning and growing, preparing him to shine on the big stage. After working on television, Shahrukh Khan decided to try his luck in movies. Moving to Mumbai, the center of Bollywood, was a brave step that brought many chances and challenges. In Mumbai, he went to many auditions with a strong will. Even though the film world is very competitive, Shahrukh did not give up. He used every small role to learn and show his talent. At the start, his journey was not easy. There were hard times and moments of doubt as he tried to find his place in the film industry. Each challenge taught him the importance of hard work and never giving up. With his friendly smile and natural charm, He quickly won the hearts of directors and audiences. Soon, people saw him not just as a new actor, but as a symbol of hope and determination. A big turning point in his career came with movies that connected with people. One such movie was Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge, which became a huge success and a timeless favorite. In this film, Shahrukh showed a mix of love, humor, and real emotion. He won the hearts of millions with his honest acting. Every film that followed made him more popular and well-known in every home. As his career grew, Shahrukh Khan was never afraid to try different roles. Whether he played a charming lover, a troubled man, or a brave fighter, he gave his best to every role. His willingness to try many different types of roles helped him develop a rich and strong acting style. His work not only entertained but also touched the hearts of many, making his characters easy to relate to and remember. Shahrukh's journey to fame was also shaped by his unique style and the way he presented himself. His neat dressing and the easy way he carried himself made him a role model in fashion. His interviews, public talks, and kind moments with fans made him a much-loved star. In an industry where image is very important, Shahrukh learned how to be both professional and friendly. Today, his rise to fame is seen as an inspiring story, a proof that hard work, passion, and persistence can turn challenges into success. His journey, full of struggles and wins, still inspires many young actors and fans around the world, reminding everyone that with effort, dreams can come true. Shahrukh Khan's work is a bright example of success that goes beyond movies. Over the years, he has won many awards, from the famous Filmfare Awards in Bollywood to prizes at international film events. Every award shows his great work and marks a step in his journey of hard work and creativity. But his impact is more than just the awards he has won. Shahrukh's movies have touched millions of lives worldwide. When you watch his films, you see not just a character, but a message of hope, strength, and the success of the human spirit. Movies like Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge, My Name is Khan, and Chennai Express have become very popular and have changed how people enjoy stories. His work has also helped many in real life. Besides his movies, he is known for his kind work. He supports causes like education, health, and helping people during disasters. His charity work has given important help to many communities. By speaking out on important issues, Shahrukh inspires others to help too. He shows that fame can be used to make the world a better place. Around the world, Shahrukh Khan is a proud representative of India. His films have crossed language and culture barriers, reaching people everywhere. In places like Europe, the Middle East, and North America, his name stands for good entertainment and heartfelt stories. His global appeal has made Bollywood famous around the world and opened new doors for other Indian artists. Shahrukh's journey also motivates many young actors and creative people. They see his rise from a simple background to world fame as a sign that with hard work and passion, anything is possible. His story continues to inspire future stars and shapes the entertainment world in India and beyond. Moreover, Shahrukh Khan has also shown talent in business. He has worked in film production and even in sports management. His smart decisions and creative ideas have helped him build successful businesses along with his acting career. This mix of art and business makes him a strong leader in the changing world of entertainment. In short, Shahrukh Khan's achievements and influence show that hard work, passion, and never giving up can make a big difference. His life is an inspiration to millions, proving that success is not just about awards but also about making a positive impact in the world. Through his movies, kind work, and business ventures, Shahrukh continues to brighten the world and remind us that the magic of movies is in the lives they change. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the life of Shahrukh Khan. We hope his story makes you feel inspired to follow your dreams too. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Bright English Point for more simple and exciting stories. See you next time. Thank you for watching and being part of our wonderful community here at Bright English Point. We believe every story, like Shahrukh Khan's, shows us the power of hard work, passion, and never giving up. His journey from simple beginnings to global stardom teaches us that no dream is too big if you believe in yourself and work hard. We hope his life inspires you to chase your dreams with courage and determination. Please leave your thoughts in the comments and share how you plan to make your dreams come true. Your support and feedback mean a lot to us.